In this video, I will show you how you can mute and unmute your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Sounds and Vibration. And on this page, you will find the option to set your smartphone on mute. As you can see, you have the option for mute. Now just select mute to mute your Samsung phone. Now this is the first method, but there is also a second method. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, in front of the volume slider, you will find this icon. As you can see, currently our phone is not on mute mode, but if I tap on it one more time, it will go to the vibration mode. And if I tap on it one more time, our Samsung phone will be set to mute mode. Now to unmute your Samsung phone, just tap on the speaker icon one more time, and your Samsung phone will be unmuted. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.